Coming back with another video, and for today's video we're gonna transform a t-shirt into a sheared top. So for this project I use a size extra small t-shirt, and I draw and cut a straight line under the armhole. If you have a bigger t-shirt, I suggest using a bigger t-shirt for this project. Then I cut the shirt on the side. Then use an elastic thread and wind it manually to the bobbin. A lot of tutorials said you need to wind it manually, but I had no problems winding it on the sewing machine. You should use your regular polyester thread on the top, and on the bobbin area you need to put your elastic thread. After putting your bobbin, twist the hand wheel until you get the lower thread on top of the feed dogs. Then use the widest length of straight stitch on your sewing machine, and for the tension I'm using number 6, but you might need to test what tension is the best suitable for your fabric material. The bottom of the t-shirt is already hemmed, so I'm just gonna keep it like that, but on the top I'm gonna fold it about 1 inch to 2 inch. You can use a shirring foot, or you can just use your regular straight stitch foot, then just sew a straight stitch across the fabric. Make sure when you are sewing, the right side of the fabric is facing up, and always do a back stitch every start and end of the line. You can make your stitches around 1/2 to 3/4 inch apart. Mine is 1/2 inch. Then just continue doing a straight stitch until you have about 5 to 6 inches left on the hem. Also make sure to pull your fabric while sewing. So it's just gonna look like this, and I'm just gonna join the two ends together by sewing a straight stitch. And for the excess fabric, I used all of it to make the straps, and it's about 15 inches each, and I sewed a zigzag stitch on the end and made it like this, and use a safety pin to loop them inside out. Then I just pin the straps on my sheared top and just sew the straight stitch on it. Again, thank you for watching, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!